2 years ago, I restored these chisels and I forgot about the video. I was just using them and I was like, hey, wait a minute. I don't think I ever uploaded that because I never really found a flashy way to culminate that story. So I feel like that actually worked out pretty well because since then, these have gone into my portable tool cart / workbench, and they've been used for a bunch of little things. Nothing really big. I'm not carving a statue with them, but you know what? That's actually pretty befitting for these. They've been used for probably about 80 different things so far. Now I gotta get back to doing what I was doing. And we can finally show this video. We're well underway restoring tools, and I think now what we should do is look at these chisels. We have 4 masonry chisels. Those actually be pretty useful. And then we have these other ones. This might just be a random bar or a stake. This is a nice little chisel. I like these hexagonal chisels a lot. And I believe this looks like it's a masonry chisel where it's for like writing on stone. So you like, at least I've seen those points used for that sort of thing. And I'm not too comfortable with having this much of a mushroomed end. So we're going to clean this up and we're going to remove that. I do like seeing that because it says how well used it is. But at the same rate, that is dangerous because they can flick off. So since I'll be using these, we'll clean them up and we'll grind off those little mushroom caps. That way they're not too dangerous. Now this one, most of them have already shot off, so that's pretty good. And this one was designed pretty smartly so that it didn't do that. It's kind of neat. Now this was pretty easy because it was a lot of ones that didn't need much cleanup, but boy, do they look nice. And these ones, I'm actually quite interested in these. I like how these look being all cleaned up. You know, at first I liked how much use they had, but now that they're cleaned up, now they look very useful. And I got to sharpen this one a little bit. I'll sharpen it better whenever I have my belt sander, but I'm also not sure how sharp I want them. So I made them a little bit sharp. I can run my finger over that way and it's fine. But this might end up getting used as a stake in the ground, so that can be rounded off. That's fine. And this one, I'm unsure how to sharpen this, or if it even needs sharpening, because that end is really interesting. Look how gnarled up that is. I'll let those sit for a week and allow that WD-40 to harden on it, because it'll make like a waxy coating that'll protect the metal from rusting. Well guys, that's pretty much it. That's where I left off, and since then I've used these for a bunch of different stuff. Looks like this stuff is some floor leveling compound. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya. This is my favorite one so far. I've used it a bunch.